Brain. Brain is the boss of everything. Every thought, every decision, every random overthinking moment, all happening here. Monkey sees banana, brain goes, good idea. Monkey remembers something embarrassing from 5 years ago at 2 a.m., also brain. It sends signals to the whole body telling it what to do. Move hand, blink eyes, panic for no reason, relax for no reason. It's powerful, but also sometimes a little dramatic. Heart. Heart is basically the most hard-working thing in monkey body. No breaks, no holidays. It just keeps beating like a tiny drum inside the chest. Every beat pushes blood everywhere, carrying oxygen and energy to keep things running. When monkey runs, heart goes fast, like we got work to do. When monkey chills, heart slows down, but still keeps going. The funny part is, monkey never has to remind it. It just does its job perfectly, quietly, forever. Lungs. Lungs are like automatic air machines. Inhale, oxygen comes in. Exhale, waste goes out. Simple system, but super important. Monkey doesn't think about breathing, it just happens. Until monkey runs too much or climbs too many stairs. Then suddenly lungs are like, bro, slow down. That's when monkey realizes how important they are. Liver. Liver is like the silent worker nobody notices. It cleans the blood, processes nutrients, and deals with all the weird stuff monkey puts into the body. Ate too much banana? Liver handles it. Something harmful enters? Liver tries to fix it. It's doing hundreds of jobs at once, and monkey just walks around like everything is fine. Respect the liver. Stomach. Stomach is where banana meets reality. Monkey eats happily, banana goes in, and stomach gets to work. It squeezes, mixes, and breaks everything down using strong acid. It's not just smashing food randomly, it's controlled chaos. Too fast, bad. Too slow, also bad. Stomach keeps everything balanced so digestion actually works. Small intestine. Small intestine is where the real value gets taken out. After stomach does the messy work, this long folded tube absorbs all the useful nutrients. Every bit of energy from banana gets pulled into the blood here. It's like nothing goes to waste. Quiet job, but extremely important. Large intestine. Large intestine handles the leftovers. Whatever the body doesn't need anymore ends up here. It removes water, tightens things up, and prepares waste to leave the system. Not the most glamorous job, but very necessary. If this part doesn't work properly, monkey life becomes very uncomfortable very quickly. Kidneys. Kidneys are like body filters running 24/7. Blood passes through them and they decide what stays and what goes. Waste gets turned into urine, useful stuff stays in the body. They also balance water and minerals so everything stays stable. No drama, just constant cleanup work in the background. Pancreas. Pancreas is the sugar manager. Monkey eats banana, sugar goes up, pancreas steps in and releases insulin. Insulin helps move that sugar into cells so it can be used as energy. Without this system, sugar just stays in the blood, causing problems. Pancreas also helps digestion, so it's doing double duty. Spleen. Spleen is like a support character. It filters blood, removes old cells, and helps fight infections. It's not the star of the show, but it keeps things running smoothly. Monkey can survive without it, but without spleen, infections would be way harder to fight. Skin. Skin is the outer shield. It protects everything inside from the outside world. Too hot, skin sweats. Too cold, skin helps keep heat in. Touch something sharp, skin immediately reports to brain like, bad idea. It's also what lets monkey feel the world, which is pretty cool. But here's the wild part. Skin is actually the largest organ in monkey's body, bigger than all the others combined. It's like a giant superhero cape wrapped around monkey, always working. It heals cuts, blocks germs, and even shows emotions, blushing when embarrassed, goosebumps when scared. Monkey thinks it's just skin, but really it's the most underrated multitasker. Esophagus. Esophagus is the delivery system for banana. Monkey swallows, and this tube quietly pushes food down to the stomach. No thinking required, no effort. It just works. Even if monkey's upside down, not recommended, it still gets the job done. But sometimes food goes down the wrong way, then esophagus and lungs start fighting like, bro, that was my lane. Cue coughing chaos. Monkey suddenly realizes this simple tube is actually a lifesaver. Bladder. Bladder is basically storage. Kidneys make urine, bladder holds it until the right moment. It stretches, waits, and then sends a signal like, okay, time now. Ignore it too long and it gets very serious very fast. It's like a patient balloon. Quiet at first, but when it's full, monkey better listen. Bladder doesn't negotiate. When it says go, monkey has no choice but to go. Gallbladder. Gallbladder stores bile, which helps break down fats. When needed, it releases this liquid into the digestive system. It's like backup support for digestion. Small organ, but useful when the body needs extra help. Think of it as a tiny storage tank. Monkey eats fatty food, gallbladder shows up like, don't worry, I've got the bile ready. Not flashy, but dependable. Appendix. Appendix is a bit mysterious. It's small, and for a long time, people thought it had no purpose. Now it seems like it might help with gut bacteria and immunity. Still, monkey can live without it just fine, so it's like optional equipment. It's basically that coworker nobody knows what they do. Some scientists say it's useful, others say it's just hanging out. Either way, monkey doesn't mind. Appendix is part of the squad. Thyroid. Thyroid controls the speed of everything. Too fast, monkey feels restless. Too slow, monkey feels tired. It manages metabolism, how quickly the body uses energy. It's like the body's speed dial.